Hi everyone, Jamie Madison here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to do a small little haul that I got from Simon Says Stamp, just to show you a couple little stamp sets that I purchased. So to get it started, I bought the reverse confetti. This is Bearing Gifts, cute little bear. This is from Christina Warner from 2 years ago. She did a card that I want to try to recreate because I love that card so much. So this is going to be my chance to try and recreate her card. Then from the Stamptember, I got the Greeting Farm to all of you. Cute little penguins. They're wrapped up in some Christmas lights. We have a fireplace and Christmas tree. Wishing you a Merry Christmas from all of us to all of you. So cute. Love it. Little penguins. And to go on with penguins, we got from Mama Elephant, the little penguin agenda that just came out. And this is just little penguins in all kinds of different seasons. You have spring, you have fishing, you have a little fishbowl, fireplace, camping. Just adorable. Just absolutely adorable. Love it. Also from Mama Elephant, I have the Oh Puppy Tree. And they're just so cute. There's a bunch of little puppies. You guys know I love dogs. I am a dog lover. And I had to have this when it came out. It's just so cute. So cute. Then from My Favorite Things, I got the interactive labels. So this has like tilt, lift, spin, pull, touch, shake, look, press, and then some arrows as well. Rip. So just anything that you could use for interactive die, this is the perfect little stamp set. And I needed it. And I also bought an interactive die as well. This is Let's Toast. It's a pull tab add-on. So this gets folded and you're able to pull and have little objects pop up out of your card. It also has a die cut right here for where your pull tab will go. It's just so cute. Love it. From Purple Onion Designs, I got this rubber clean stamp. I also stamped out the stamp set because I wanted to see how it would work in my stamping platform, because it is a rubber red stamp that does not have the back cling on it. So I just used some double-sided tape and taped it on, and it worked perfectly. So yeah, this is the only one that was not in the packaging because I wanted to test it out right off the bat. So I couldn't wait. And then I got Echo Park. This is the Celebrate Fall stamp set, and it just has pretty much anything that has to do with fall. You have apples, you have pumpkins, owls, deer, birds, raccoons. I mean, it's just a fall in a stamp set is what it is. So it's perfect. And it also has Autumn is my favorite color, pumpkin spice, and everything nice. And then it has, of course, the other sentiments as well. And then I bought the designer 6x6 stencil from Cartabella. This is the Snowflakes oh my goodness, wonderful, I can't talk, Wonderland Frost stencil. It should just be called Snowflakes, but yeah, it's so cute. Love it. This could also be used for stars, I guess, if you wanted as well. And then I have the Cartabella 6x6 paper pack. Mine got kind of tore up on the sides, but it is still good. So you just have a couple little pattern paper here with fall images. I mean, it's just pretty much trees and snowflakes and snow globes and more snowflakes and little scenes, sweaters, florals. So yeah, just perfect. Like I said, mine's kind of falling apart. Something got messed up on mine, but it's okay. It will get used. I also got from Cartabella the washi tape. This is called Winter Floral, and very, very pretty. I actually have it on a piece of paper here so you guys can see what it looks like. Very pretty, right? Love it. This will look so great inside cards. And then I already filmed this, I'm not even gonna lie, 3 times. And apparently my settings on my camera cut off at 10 minutes. So my camera kept cutting off like right when I get to the end. So I had to keep recording it and then keep recording it. And then I figured out that I changed a setting, and so now we're good. So you're seeing it now. But I already test these out. So I'm sorry that I didn't catch it on this video, guys. I'm sorry. But yeah, I got some new Nuvo drops. This one is called Violet Galaxy, and it is very pretty. This one came in a 3-set here, and this one is called Dark Walnut. And then we have green bottle green. And then we have red berry. And then we have double denim. So yeah, I got me some new Nuvo drops, got me some paper, and some stamps. I also want to let you guys know where I've been and why there hasn't been so many cards put out. We were recently in a flash flood, and a lot of our stuff got messed up, but we are fine, and everybody's safe and healthy and happy. And well, my husband's not too happy. His truck has been in the mechanic shop for 7 weeks now over this flood. So we've only had one car, and that has been very trying and very busy, just running back and forth, taking him to work and then me going to work and all that stuff. So we're just now getting his truck back, and it has to go back to the shop again. It was in over 3 foot of water. So it's just been crazy. And sorry, I've been dealing with all of that. So I really haven't had a chance to upload videos. I've been making cards. I just haven't had a chance to do my editing for my videos. So sorry guys, but I will have a video up here real soon for you guys, and I will see you then. Alrighty, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much. Bye.